Here they gave 2 tan. Second question, fourth bit has me 2 tan 30 by so 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
We just substituted the tan 30 value 1 by root 3, Hasni. So
Yes.
2 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, Hasni. By 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
Now denominator, this part we should make it into a single fraction, Hasni, by doing LCM. So 2 by root 3 by LCM is 3, Hasni. So you will get 3 by 3 minus, because this 1 by 1 no Hasni, so 1 by 1 we will make it into 3. Understood, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, no Hasni?
No doubt, sir. I was at mute actually before.
Hasni?
I was at mute, sir, before.
Oh. So numerator now 3 minus 1 by 3 Hasni. Overall, the 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. Correct, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So which is equal to 2 by root 3 into this gets reciprocated Hasni, 3 by 2.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So we got 3 by root 3. Finally, we should multiply and divide by. Okay, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So 3 root 3. Why we are doing this is because to simplify the denominator further when we get irrational terms. Hasni. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. This 3 will get cut. So root 3 we got it. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So root 3 means how much, Hasni?
Tan 60.
Correct, Hasni. Is option C.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
Okay. We'll go to the next question, Hasni.
Okay.
Yes. So next question, once you read it, Hasni, next question. Third one.
If a plus b is root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, 0 degrees is less than a plus b equals to less than or equal to 90 degrees, comma, a is greater than b, find a and b.
So Hasni, that condition, whatever they gave 0 degree in between, a plus b is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Hasni, it can be equal to 90 degree it seems, but less than 0 it seems. Sorry, yes, Hasni. A plus b sum should be less than, means it should be greater than 0. That is 0 less than a plus b means a plus b value should be greater than 0 Hasni, but should be less than or equal to 90 it can be. But anyways, and a greater than b they said. Yes, this condition mostly in our till class 10th level, this condition anyways will not much you it will be useful. Anyways, we'll get the answer within that limits only. But
Okay.
generally 11th and 12th class, that conditions, based on the conditions, we have to select the values which we got asking. But as of now, we'll get anyways between those. As per the condition which they only will get the answer as.
Okay.
So given tan a plus b Hasni is equal to how much Hasni? Root 3, correct Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So tan a plus b, can I write in the place of root 3 Hasni tan 60?
Yes, sir.
So both sides tan we should not cut like this Hasni, because it's not multiplication, no?
Yes, sir.
So but what we can do, Hence, we can write a plus b value should be equal to 60 degree. Then only both of those will be equal.
Yes, sir.
Because in this place, if 60 degree is there, then only we will say it as an equation. As an equation means whatever LHS is there, the same should be there RHS.
Okay.
So in the place of a plus b, 60 should be there. So that is the meaning of. So, but we will not cut like this first and write a plus b is equal to 60. We should not like cut like that. Okay, Hasri? So write a plus b is equal to 60, not cut like that. Hasri.
Okay.
So now from this we got a plus b value as 60 Hasri, and there is given they gave one more equation. Tan a minus b Hasri is given as 1 by root 3. Correct, Hasri?
Yes, sir.
So tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 is how much, Hasri? Tan 30.
Okay.
Correct, Hasri?
Yes, sir.
So tan a minus b is equal to tan 30. Sorry. Now same like the before equation asked me. Now what we can write, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now we have two equations also. This
Oh,
and this. They look like x plus y is equal to 60, x minus y is equal to 30, like a linear equation in two variables.
yeah. Okay.
We'll just solve them and we'll get a b values.
Okay.
A plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. Hasni. We'll add it, Hasni. BB will get that. 2a is equal to 90, a is equal to 90 by 2, a is equal to 45 degrees.
Okay.
Now this 45 will substitute in any of the equations as
Okay.
a plus b is equal to 60. So a is 45, 45 plus b is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45 as it is.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So clearly we got a greater than b, Hasni.
Yes, sir. Mhm.
And a plus b, if you do also, it's clearly between 0 degree and 90 degree. Hasni. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So just for confirmation, once you check the back answer, Hasni, a is 45, b is 15 degree.
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Okay. Fourth question, Hasni. This is general understanding one, Hasni. You need to remember you need to understand the question. This one. So first question, Hasni. Once you read it, Hasni. Main heading.
Okay. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one.
Yes,
Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b.
yes, Hasni. So Hasni, this one we can they said sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Actually, Hasni, this will be false. Why? Because how can we verify this as of now in our class 10 level, Hasni? We can take certain values for A and B and we will get answer definitely LHS, RHS not equal. So
Okay.
this type of ones, Hasni, when we are selecting A and B, we will prefer A and B values other than 0 degree and 90 degree, Hasni. Because the reason is some of the trigonometric ratios are not different for 90 degree and 0 degree.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
the reason why whenever we are doing these type of ones using trial and error method, we will leave 0 degree and 90 degree. Other than these two, we will select us.
Okay.
In some cases, 0 degree, 90 degree, we will get LHS, RHS correct has, equal has. But
Okay.
in other cases, again, we'll get false. So that's why all the possible situations, whatever answer we get, that only we should select now.
Yes.
So now, see,
Yes.
so here, whenever we are doing trial and error method in this chapter by selecting certain angles, we will not prefer selecting these type of ones, especially LHS, RHS, when you're checking it whether they're equal or this, they're asking us to check whether they're equal to this or not. So we'll not prefer selecting as 0 and B as 90 as means other than 0 and 90, we can select any other angles. Okay.
Okay.
So let us select let angle A is equal to 30 degree Hasni. Angle B is equal to 60 degree Hasni. Why? Because if I select B 45 Hasni, A plus B will become 75, no?
Yes.
So 70, then sin 75 we don't know. That's why we are not selecting. We are selecting the angles in such a way that whose sum can be clearly sum. If you do 90 Hasni, sin 90 we know it. That's why.
Okay.
So that's why A I selected 30 and B also 30 you can select. Not a problem. B also you can select.
Okay.
So 30 plus 30 60 sin 60 we have it. That's why. Okay,
Okay.
Hasni. Now LHS I am doing it. Hasni. LHS is what? Sin A plus B. So whatever the angles we selected, we'll keep it here. Hasni. 30 plus 60 means what is sin 90. Sin 90 how much Hasni?
What?
1. Now RHS will check it Hasni. We'll verify with RHS. If both of them will come equal, then it's true Hasni.
Okay.
RHS is sin A plus sin B.
Okay.
Sin A means sin 30 plus sin B means sin 60.
Okay.
Sin 30 is 1 by 2 Hasni. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So
Okay.
clearly denominator is already same Hasni. So 1 plus root 3 by 2. We can club the numerators.
Okay.
So LHS clearly not equal to RHS Hasni because LHS we got 1 and RHS we got 1 plus root 3 by 2.
Okay.
So it's false.
Okay.
So Hasni, don't forget Hasni, here if you select the angles as 0 and 90, you will get true. LHS, RHS equal. Why? Because when you add 0 plus 90, sin 90, you will get 1, no?
Yes, sir.
And sin 0, A if you selected 0, suppose B 90 means, sin A sin 0 means 0, no? Hasni, RHS plus
Yes, sir.
sin B means sin 91, 0 plus 1, no?
Yes, sir.
1. LHS 1 you got and RHS also 1 we got Hasni. If you select A as 0 degree and B as 90.
Yes.
So 0 and 90, other than these two, we will select remaining any of the other angles Hasni. But we will select in such a way, that sum, again A plus B sum, we will select the A and B angles in such a way that A plus B will be like sin whatever, suppose here A plus B I got 90 Hasni, sin 90 is known value, like that. We'll select the angles in such a way that sum if you do, that value should be there in sin Hasni, like that.
Okay.
Understood Hasni what I'm trying to tell?
Yes, sir.
Means clearly this type of verification once in trigonometry, we will prefer angles other than 0 degree and 90 degree.
Okay.
And also we'll see that in such a way that the sum, whatever we get, that sum value will be there in the table for sign.
Okay.
Means in 11th and 12th Hasni, we'll learn the values for sin 75, tan 75, cot 75, those also. Here, then if you select 30 and 45, sum will become 75, no?
Yes, sir.
Then sin 75 value will be known for us, then we not a problem. But here as of now we don't know sin 75, no? So that's why we selected the angles whose sum is not coming 75. Whose sum is coming the known values only we are selecting. Like 30 plus 60, 90, sin 90 we have. Like that.
Okay.
You can take both 30, 30 also not a problem. 30 plus 30, 60, sin 60 we have it. That's why. Both 45 also not a problem. 45, 45. Sin 90 we have it. 45 plus 1. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
Shall I delete it? Yes, Hasni. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes.
So now Hasni, fourth question, second bit. This is general understanding, Hasni. While learning the table itself, I said this point, if you remember, Hasni. Can you tell it, Hasni, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases? Means what is the meaning of that Hasni? Sine row, once tell the first row Hasni, sine row, 0 half that one. 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree is there now.
Yes.
Once tell
0.
that row.
Yes. 0.
0.
1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. Over.
Yes, Hasni. So clearly, if you observe, this is 0 degree Hasni, 30 degree, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Correct, Hasni?
Yes.
So the value 1 by 2 is clearly more than 0. And 1 by root 2 value, if you check it Hasni in a calculator, it will be greater than 1 by 2 Hasni.
Okay.
And root 3 by 2 value will be more than 1 by root 2 Hasni. And finally, 1 will be more than root 3 by 2. Simply, if you observe Hasni, the value increased from 0 to 1 as the theta value increased Hasni, 0 to 90.
Okay.
Means when you are when you just keep on changing the value of theta, sine 0, sine 30, means slowly when we are increasing the angles Hasni, here the values also are increasing from 0 to 1 up to sine 90 if you observe.
Yes.
Is both as the value increases for value of the theta increases for sine Hasni, the result of that also increased clearly.
Okay.
Sine values increased from 0 to 1 as we increase the theta values.
Okay.
So that's why it is true Hasni. So,
Okay.
then third one. Third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta decreases. This is false Hasni. If you observe
It
cos theta
decreases.
values, it decreased from 1 to 0. If you observe.
Yes.
These only will write it in from back side to front side Hasni. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0.
Okay.
So decreased actually.
Okay.
Cos theta decreases as theta decreases. As theta increases. So now Hasni,
Yes, sir.
next one Hasni. Sin theta increases as theta increases. Fourth one Hasni. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So clearly we can observe Hasni, I wrote the sin and cos on the screen, no?
Yes, sir.
For all the values of theta, sin value and cos values are equal Hasni. Means sin 0 is sin 0, cos 0 matching Hasni. This theta
Yes,
Hasni, is it matching sin 0 and cos 0?
yes, sir. I didn't get your question, sir. What could you repeat? You want to break it?
Once read third bit Hasni. Not third one, fourth bit Hasni. Once read it Hasni.
Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta.
Means what is the meaning of it Hasni?
For all theta values like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90, the
Yes.
theta, the side theta is cos theta. But it's false actually.
Hasni?
But it's false actually.
Yes, Hasni. For all the angles, it's equal, they said Hasni.
Yes. It's only equal for 45 degrees, sir.
Yes, Hasni. When theta is 45 degrees, when theta is 45 degrees, then only sin 45 and cos 45 both are same.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, they are not same.
Yes, sir.
So fourth one has the sin theta is not equal to cos theta for all values of theta except for 45.
Okay.
So answer is Hasni.
False.
False, Hasni. Next one, Hasni, fifth bit. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree, Hasni.
Okay.
Is it correct, Hasni? Cot 0 is how much, Hasni?
It's not decided.
Hasni?
Sir, I don't think
Infinity.
cos 0.
Because tan 0 is 0 now, Hasni.
Yes, so cos 0 is not decided. Sir.
Yes, Hasni. Tan 0 reciprocal is cot 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So cot 0 is like 0 by 1, Hasni, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0 by 1 reciprocal, because tan 0 is 0 by 1, Hasni. Cot 0 will be 1 by 0.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 0 is it defined, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Defined, Hasni, 1 by 0?
Sir, okay, I heard it as not defined. Sir. It is not defined. It is not defined. Sir. Not defined.
Yes, Hasni, because 0 by 1 means 0 only, tan 0. But cot 0 means reciprocal of tan 0. That is 1 by 0. 1 divided by 0. We cannot divide any number with 0 now. So that's why it is not defined infinitive.
Okay.
So it's true only. Now, Hasni, fifth bit.
Yes.
So it's true, Hasni. Yes. So with this first exercise is finished, Hasni. Just for confirmation, I will check the back answers, Hasni. Fourth one, third one, angle A, we got it as 45, Hasni, and angle B, we got it as 15. Third question. Fourth question, first one is false, second one is true, third one is false, fourth one is false, fifth one is true, Hasni.
Okay.
False, true, false, false, true, Hasni.
Yes, sir. The back also shows the same.
All are correct, Hasni. Third one
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Okay, Hasni. So with this exercise is finished, Hasni. We'll go to the next exercise.
Okay.